Who is Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam? Of course, his name is Muhammad. He's the son of Abdullah. Abdullah, the son of Abdul Muttalib. Abdullah Abdul Muttalib, the son of Hashim. Hashim, the son of Abdul Manaf. Abdul Manaf, the son of Qusay. And Qusay, the son of Kilab. He descends from the clan of Quraysh and from the lineage of Ismail, the prophet of Allah and the son of the prophet of Allah and his messenger Ibrahim alayhi salam. He was born and raised in Mecca, in the Arabia, in the Christian era of the year 570. He was born and raised there, and he lived his life for a period of 63 years. His early life and his life of prophethood in the beginning was all spent in Mecca until the last 10 years of his life, which he lived in Medina after his migration from Mecca. He lived there, he established a state, and became the spiritual and temporal leader of the people, not only of Medina, but of the Islamic State, where his religion and his da'wah spread all over until he parted finally in the year 632. He was brought up and born as an orphan. He never knew his father. His father died even before he was born. After he was born, the mother, who was supposed to take care of him and give him good custody as everyone would have from his mother, she died when he was as young as 6. He was taken care of thereafter by his grandfather, paternal, Abdul Muttalib. But he could only enjoy grandfatherhood, to play around and to enjoy home for 3 years, after which the grandfather also died. He was taken to be brought up by his paternal uncle, Abu Talib, with whom he stayed until his youthhood and until his adulthood, and until he grew up to the age of marriage. He struggled for life, and he struggled for means of livelihood, where he could have something to earn. He worked as a shepherd, and he also worked as a businessman who was employed to work in the company of a business lady, Khadija, who was renowned for her business in the time. Soon after, his qualities, his values, his characters distinguished him from being an employee to being a master, where the mistress, that was Khadija herself, offered herself to him for marriage. He accepted, and they got married when he was only 25. She was elder than him, but they lived in happiness and tranquility Allah blessed them with 6 children. And then, after he got his message of prophethood, they lived together. They experienced the hardship of living in a new lifestyle of religion after living in the period of Jahiliyyah before his prophethood.